and let me know.
Okay, it is now saying record.
Hi there. Welcome to Cebu Farm. I'm Rick Young, General Manager out here. And as you probably noticed on our Facebook page yesterday, we installed 10 hives of honeybees. And so today I'm going to go back out. Now yesterday I recorded the video on this camera, which is okay, except the wind was a nuisance and it's really kind of hard to operate this. It's not really made for videos. Today I'm using the video camera, so hopefully it'll be a little bit better quality. You can actually hear what I'm saying instead of just silent pictures. We'll be going out into the field, back to the hives. What I want to do is take the transport cage out and check and make sure that the queen is being tended to. I don't want to bother him too much. I'm going to just get in, smoke them, take a look, pull the thing out, set it down, pull the little plug out, and so they can start traveling. Check the sugar water level. I don't think that they've drank a whole pint yet, but you know they drink quite a bit. And so I've got 10 of those to do. And we'll record it, and I'll go through a couple of them, and then we'll just kind of, I'll do the first one, then we'll jump ahead, and then if I don't get run off by a swarm of mad bees, hopefully not. Today, though, I probably will, for the first couple, wear my hood, just, because they're brand new, they're in there, and I don't want to, if they get excited or whatever, I don't want them flying up my nose, because that's the worst possible sting, is when you get one inside your nose. I don't mind them on my arms. It's not a big deal, but if they fly up my nose, I don't like that. So we'll see how it goes, and if they seem to be docile and they like being handled and the smoke works, I'm going to use smoke today instead of sugar water. Sugar water is a wonderful thing when you install them because it gives them something to groom each other and it keeps them busy and active. It also moistens their wings so they can't fly as much, and they usually clean themselves up and they get it all tended to in a day or two. And so I don't want to re-moisten their wings now that they're in the hive and they need to start building honeycomb, and it just makes their job harder when they're like that, and it stresses them a little, and I don't like that too much. On the other hand, I also don't like getting stung, so I'm taking it with me just in case, but I think the smoke will work fine. We'll find out. This is all new to me and new to Cebu Farm, so we will be giving you a raw, uncut, unedited, as you can obviously tell from what you've seen so far, videos about what we do, because we are in the entertainment business. We have the park out here for families to come and picnic and have a wonderful time. We're adding water slide and a big slip and slide coming about the end of May. And we got the catfish pond, and of course we have the fruit orchard, and we have all of the produce, and then we have animals, and hopefully in the near future we're going to be adding a petting zoo for the kids. All of these things are all in the works. You need to come out and take the tour, and it's a free tour, by the way. I'll show you around the place and so you know what's going on. But today we're concentrating on honeybees, so we'll see you in the field.